Deal Sauce family, what is going on? Hey everyone, my name is Justin Tuminowski. Thanks for tuning in. If you're watching this video, you are looking at a demo version for skip tracing. So guys, we're going to pull a list really quickly. We're going to see what skip tracing looks like. We'll go through the process of inputting potential credit card, how to pull the list briefly, how to get that into your leads file, how to go from your leads file or your leads bucket or your lead portfolio and bring that right into skip tracing as easy as just a few clicks of the button. So stick around, stay tuned, and we're going to get to skip tracing. All right, guys, so check it out. Hey, I ended up searching Arkansas. All right. So one of my friends and fellow subto family members, right, community members, is heading out in this neck of the woods. So I said, you know what? It was relevant. Let's just do it. So listen, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the northwest corner. It doesn't really matter. I am just showing you that I'm going to pull this list and I'm going to use this great little boundary feature that I like using. And what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you the filters that we pull. So guys, we have this list here. If there's something you don't like out of this list, don't click it, right? So you can do select all, and then we can remove some. Whatever you do, you can see it's reflecting in my leads bucket there on the right-hand side. Call it whatever you will, my leads list. However, we're going to pull the whole thing. Let's just say all 11, they're in there. All right, so when we're there, guys, the same batch of information is going to port over to your leads. Now, here's the cool thing. You have the ability to lead trace right there. So that lead trace is called skip tracing. Look at this. All right, unlock 10 cents per hit, guys. So 10 cents per address that it hits. If it doesn't have a hit or a conversion, you won't get charged. Pretty awesome. Unlock owner contact information, including individuals, corporations, LLCs, and trusts. Guys, what more can you ask for? Multiple phone numbers, emails for each contact. Usually the first 3 phone numbers of any skip trace are your prime, most likely to be the right phone number. And typically, if it's not within the first 3 numbers, either you want to go skip trace that, or you want to keep, if he gives you 6 numbers, you want to go check all 6. If that doesn't provide any results, I would seek alternative methods of maybe Googling, right? Because sometimes people are hard to find, and or they might just have a landline and no cell phones, or you might get a sibling or a son or a daughter, or they could be deceased. You never know. Some people just old school have not had enough of their information out there. Do not call DNC and litigator scrub, no additional cost. Awesome stuff. Industry leading hit up to 90%. All right. So guys, you have the option right here to refresh existing records older than a month. So, I mean, if you wanted to go, hey, always give me when I hit this button, I want you to give me it no matter if I have it already or not in my system. Or you can go 2 years. Let's go always fresh data. Come on, we're investors. We're not cheapskates, all right? Scroll all the way to the bottom. Make sure you read all the fine print. Accept. Are you kidding me? $1.10 is all it could take that could be between me and a deal. So guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. What I didn't show you was the credit card feature, because it's going to show my whole credit card on there. So my Amex card would be fully on display, and I didn't feel like doing any editing for you guys. But guys, check it out. Order placed. Your request is being processed. You'll receive an email notification when results are available. So what I have on my other screen is I have the email up. Some of these things take a little bit of time, so check the notification bells to see what we actually have going on. And when you pull a list or you do a big export, those things will show up here. And sometimes you can go retrieve those. So hang tight, and we are going to keep going with skip tracing. All right, guys, we are in business. So what I did, I took one of my other screens. I just took a quick screenshot for you to see what your email will look like. Guys, your notifications right here, what we talked about earlier. So 8 minutes ago, it's saying that I ended up with 11 out of 11 leads were successfully traced. Click here to download. Let's take a look. And phone numbers here, all good stuff. Landline, mobiles, so good. Mobiles, So we got matched name. We're going by the first name, last name. We have property address, all that information, the names, age. Dang, I like seeing the age in there too. And that's it, guys. That's what you get. Here we go. Look at this. Now you have the option. Phone number, DNC, do not call. If you don't know what that means, it's do not call. That is up to you whether or not you want to call and or text. Guys, that concludes the skip tracing tutorial. Let us know any issues. Go to support@dealsauce.io. My name is Justin Tuminowski. You can find me at realestatejustin.com. Guys, also check out my YouTube. I'm going to have a Deal Sauce category playlist. It's going to be Deal Sauce. We're doing demos, lives. We're going to be inside the community, subto communities and other communities available doing live demos. And guys, if you're looking for something, we're going to do tutorials on everything. So this is just the beginning. We're at freshman year of an amazing, amazing thing that's going to transpire here. Stick around, buckle up. It's going to get saucy. All right, guys. See you later.